today lang kayo nag-order kasi may hearing today. Kasi yung governor nyo, ang ganda ng statement, dapat daw mahigpit. Pero wala namang aksyon. Pag binuksan mo ngayon, meron eh. Hindi po ba? Seryoso, pinag-uusapan natin eh. Lokohan ba to?
Pag ninyo biro-biruin ng komite na ito, we have a problem. We have a crisis. Hindi po ito basta-basta. Sige, pagbibigyan kita hanggang Sunday. Pag Sunday morning, meron pa pong mga games sa mga e-wallet, sir. Iko-contempt ka namin.
It is not acceptable yung answer bakit kailangan ng 48 hours.
Sa isang mainit na pagdinig, nawala ng pasensya ang ilang senador at kinuwestiyon si BSP Governor ukol sa umano'y pagsisinungaling at mabagal na aksyon ng bangko sa pagtanggal ng koneksyon ng e-wallets sa online gaming. Lumalalim ang issue habang hinahanap ng Senado ang pananagutan sa regulasyon ng digital finance platforms.
Okay lang sa atin o sayang kita?
Your Honor,
Hindi ko naintindihan eh. Kasi binigyan nyo since, it's August 14 eh. Binigyan nyo since July 5. You know, if you call them into the room, you are the central bank eh. So, I'm sorry Mr. Chairman, I'm just talking in terms of from the Committee on Banks, di ba?
Honor, we gave them sufficient time for all of them to...
Sir, the ICT just said now, they can do it instantly. Wala kayong technical people sa central bank. Kayo nagre-regulate ng e-wallets eh. Or sayang yung kita nung 2 days.
Your Honor, it's because of that reason to give them time to take them down, lahat sila, and also to give adequate or prompt information to the public. So, for...
Sir, number 1, July 25 pa yung memo nyo. At pumayag sila. So alam na nila. So naghahanda na sila. Oh, number 2, the public, sila nga ang biktima eh. Sila ang biktima. Why do they need to notice na kung gusto nilang sugal, they can do it otherwise, but they do not go to the link. Anyway, I'm taking up too much time. But sir, please.
Ibig sabihin, sige, pagbibigyan kita, Sunday morning, hindi ko na makita yung games sa mga e-wallets.
Apo, wala na.
Pag may nakikita po ako, iko-contempt kita. Pwede po. Para malinaw po tayo, hindi yung, sabi nga ni Senator Cayetano, wag mo ninyo biro-biruin ng komite na ito. We have a problem. We have a crisis. Hindi po ito basta-basta. We are facing crisis, Mr. BSP, sir. And when you say, Saturday po, huling oras na Saturday, sige, pagbibigyan kita hanggang Sunday. Pag Sunday morning, meron pa pong mga games sa mga e-wallet, sir. Iko-contempt ka namin.
Yes, Your Honor. And we'll also take, we will sanction also the concerned BSP.
Mr. Chairman, if I may, Mr. Chairman, if I may, just very short, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I would respectfully object, Mr. Chairman, to that statements made by Central Bank in saying that they need time, 48 hours to take it down, while we heard from ASEC Paraiso a while ago that they can do it right away. I just don't get it, Mr. Chairman. Forgive me, Your Honors, my dear colleagues. It is not acceptable yung answer bakit kailangan ng 48 hours. We wanted to protect the public eh. Namamatay na nga yung mga tao eh. Numbers don't lie. These facts, these reports, ang dami pang hindi nare-report, Mr. Chairman. Kausap mo lang yung isang governor sa isang probinsya dito sa Pilipinas. Sabi niya, halos araw-araw may nagpapakamatay dito, pare. Bakit di natin ma-stop? Again, Mr. Chairman, I'm really sorry. It is not acceptable yung binibigay na sagot kung bakit hindi natin maisara ngayon kung kaya naman. Ngayon, if there's another answer, Mr. Chairman, that would convince this representation na bigyan pa rin ng 24 hours, sige ho, I will agree. But right now, the answers being given to us, Mr. Chairman, hindi ho acceptable. Sorry. Thank you.